Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Psycho. So today in this video I will let you know how you can install Visual Studio in your Windows 11 laptop. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, do like this video and share as much as you can. So let's get started. So simply we just need to visit the browser. So I am going to open a browser. So here I am using Edge browser, Microsoft Edge. So after opening Microsoft Edge, directly we will search for Visual Studio. And as you can see that I have searched Visual Studio, and directly here we are getting an option to download. So I just click here and it redirected to a new page, and it is of visualstudio.microsoft.com. and simply here we can see there are three versions. One is community, one is professional, and other is enterprise. So we just need to install the community version. So here we are getting an option of free download. So simply we'll click on free download and we'll just scroll down, and here if you want you can read it out, but as you can see here it is already downloaded. So the Visual Studio is already downloaded. So I'll go to the folder where it is present and I'll just try to install it. So guys, as you can see here there is an exe file, Visual Studio setup. So we'll just directly double click here. So we'll have to click on run button. So I have clicked on run. It started and I will click yes and just close this. Yeah, and see here it's showing Visual Studio installer. So directly we'll click on continue and it is downloading. Now the Visual Studio installer is downloaded and now it's installing and it's successfully installed. I'll just select each and everything. We just need to select whatever you want to install, means download and install. So I am just selecting each and everything here, and I'll click first in download all, then install. And after that, as you can see here, the total space required is 42.54 GB. So make sure you have enough space and you have more than 42 GB of free space, and I have more than that. So I will just directly click on install, and as you can see here, Visual Studio Community 2022 is successfully downloading, and it is total of 9.75 GB and the speed is 10 to 11 Mbps per second. So let's see how fast it is downloading. So friends, in this video you have learned how you can download and install Visual Studio. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can, and we'll meet in the next video. For now, bye bye.